to meet a lot of you just about an hour ago on the tour. I'm happy to talk to you about what the conservation districts are right now. So the conservation districts were established back in the 1940s in order to help prevent another Dust Bowl. We were established in the wake of the Dust Bowl to help private property owners conduct conservation treatments and mitigation on their properties. So what that means today is that we are helping people with forestry work, wildfire mitigation work. We work down in the plains on a lot of agricultural properties and help people to retain soil on their property, to reduce wildfire risk, to make their forests healthy. Most of us employed by the conservation districts are ecologists or scientists by training, much like a lot of the other organizations here. So we do take that approach, very holistic approach to what we do and the technical assistance that we provide. We work mostly across Boulder County, into Weld and some parts of Gilpin County. And like I said, our primary programs are forest and agricultural health. We do help to provide cost share and grant funding for a lot of these projects. We do an annual tree sale and we help out with educational events. Some recently completed and current work. As you can tell, this is one of our 100-acre projects that was just completed just this week. We have some multiple projects going on from Gold Hill. Eagle Ridge was just completed in October. That was a part of the Co-swap project that was a collaboration with Boulder County, the State Forest Service, and other partners. And we have multiple other projects in planning phases and active logging phases. Just to highlight kind of where we work in reference to the St. Vrain Basin. This blue line is the basin, so we've included a lot of these from Gold Hill all the way up to the county line. This is our Eagle Ridge project up here, which was a part of the Co-swap project, and that is has actually probably been impacted by the current fire near Lyons. So we'll see how that work has fared, and do some adaptive management on that project and see how we can change things and adjust things into the future. So we are currently on one of our most recently completed projects, Ski Road. It was about 100 acres across 3 landowners. Most of the work was done to provide wildfire mitigation, but that was in the context of ecological sustainability and resiliency to disturbances like wildfire, bark beetles, other insects and diseases. And as you can see, we cut a lot of trees to try to open up the forest, get light back on the ground, establish grasses, wildflowers, in order to reestablish a high-frequency, low-severity fire regime. And then ways to engage. Basically, just give us a call, send us an email. We work with anybody and everybody. We are absolutely willing to come out and talk to you about a potential future forestry project, agricultural project, or even just come out and help you identify some plants on your property. We're happy to get out into the field and engage and help anybody out. A little bit about our funding. We are mostly grant funded, and a lot of our funding funding comes from partners like Boulder County, the St. Vrain Left Hand Conservancy District, and other partners, especially like the NRCS provides some funding. And that's it. Thank you all.